Hey guys, so last night I had the opportunity to stay in this incredible lakefront tiny home community just outside of downtown Orlando, Florida, and I cannot wait to show you guys around. So let's go check it out. So that is it, guys. That is the tour of the Orlando Lakefront tiny home and RV community, specifically the Bermuda tiny house that they have for rent on Airbnb. This tiny home community consists of about 20% Airbnb rentals that you guys can come check out, like the Bermuda tiny house, and the other 80% are actually full-time residents, which is actually really awesome. If you guys get the chance to come out, even if you're local to the Orlando area and you want to come see what the tiny house craze is all about, come and stay in a tiny house for a couple days or even just a weeknight, then this is definitely a great spot to come check out. Even if you're not local like myself, I was here in the area and I had been wanting to come out to this Orlando Lakefront community for a little while now. I've had other friends, other people that I follow that have come out here, like Tiny House Expedition, and it's just a great little community, a little pocket oasis, if you will, that is only a few miles north of downtown Orlando. I think it's just amazing that a community like this exists with such close access into town, into a major city. It's really exciting to see the movement continuing to grow. Obviously, this community has been around for a little while now, but it's so exciting to see these communities start to sprout up around the US, around the world, with more people being a lot more enthusiastic about the tiny house movement and what it can offer people looking to downsize their lives, downsize their financial obligations, to have more freedom to do the things that they love to do. And this community is just a testament to the possibilities of getting behind people and pushing these initiatives in our cities and our towns, and we can have more things like this. And so it's just awesome to see a community like this thriving, to see tons of people wanting to come experience it through Airbnb. I'd say about like 8 out of 10 of these tiny houses that they have available for rent were actually rented while I was here. Of course, like I said, the other 80% or so are actually full-time residents, consisting of both tiny housers, RVers, mostly tiny housers, but it's just really cool to witness this firsthand. And I advise all of you, if you guys are in the area, or if you're even just a local Orlando resident, then come check this place out, and I assure you, you won't be disappointed. Like I said, they have about 10 houses on Airbnb, so you guys can follow any of the links in the description below to go check it out. If you guys haven't signed up for an Airbnb account, you can sign up for a new one and get up to $50 off your first stay. I hope you guys enjoyed that little tour of the Orlando Lakefront tiny house community. I will see you in the next one.